You don't need to disclose or tell me about your condition, but it is important. What's the nature of your condition?
I've got bone disease.
That results in you being in a wheelchair. Do
Yeah.
you need care?
Yes.
Who is your carer?
Well, Julie's my carer.
Does Julie receive an allowance as your carer?
Yes, Your Honour.
Why haven't you used any of that care money to begin the process of paying your mum back?
Because I was spending it on myself.
On what?
I was spending it on cigarettes and...
What does she spend it on? She just told me. What was it?
Cigarettes.
Well, you won't know this sort of thing, being as perfect as you are. How much is a packet of cigarettes?
£8.30.
How many a week?
5 packs a week.
There's your money, madam. If she'd been giving you £40 or £50 per week, would you be here?
No.
Anything else?
She buys energy drinks.
Energy drinks?
Yeah, a lot of them.
Well, I can't imagine, in addition to the cigarettes and energy drinks, that she would be so brazen as to live in your property without giving you some sort of rent.
I don't charge her any rent. I don't charge her anything for bills or food.
You live rent-free? You have no financial overhead and you haven't paid any of this debt back at all. Why not?
I'm not very good with money, Your Honour.
Now, one of the challenging things, and I do give you credit for this, is it's got incredibly challenging to look after mum, right?
Yes, Your Honour.
You need help in a variety of ways, one of which, for example, is getting in and out of bed, I would have thought, right?
Yes, sir.
That's got to be incredibly difficult. And to some extent, you would agree with me, I presume, that at the very least Julie is doing her best in respect of providing you the care that she can.
Oh, yeah. She's brilliant.
I give her enormous credit for that. But nevertheless, one of the difficulties you have is bringing a legal claim here. Do you understand?
Yes, Your
That's a very challenging one. Is the Bank of Mum still open?
No, it's gone bust, Your Honour.
Are you going to pay any of this money back?
I want to, Your Honour, but I can't afford it.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. What's more important to you? Your mum, who is experiencing an incredibly challenging, life-affecting disability, or your 5 packets of cigarettes a week? What's more important to you?
My mum, Your Honour.
Excellent. See mum crying over there. Do you think she wants to be here?
No, Your Honour.
Does it do anything to you to see her in that state?
Yes, Your Honour.
What does it do to you?
Upsets me.
I want to be clear. I believe you categorically when you tell me that all of the money that you gave to your daughter you believed was a loan. What's more, I'm satisfied Julie also knew that it was a loan. The problem, I'm afraid, is whatever I may want to do, I can only rely on the law. There is absolutely nothing on here setting out how or when or the circumstances in which Julie is to pay you back. There's no certainty of terms. For that reason, I have absolutely no choice but to dismiss your case. But I hear what she says, and for the avoidance of doubt, I believe her. And what's more, I'll be watching. Do you understand?
Sure.
Because Michelle will tell me. And here's the thing, Michelle knows everything.
Debbie's case was dismissed and she was awarded nothing by the court. Let's find out how both parties felt about the judge's ruling.
I'm sorry. I do want to pay you back.
All I used to do. I can't do anything else.
I know.
The bank of Mum's got to stay shut.
I will pay you back, I promise. I'll cut out my drinks if I have to. I'll cut my cigarettes down, but I will pay you back. I realise how much I've took off you, and I shouldn't have done it, and I do feel bad over it. I wish I'd have realised sooner. I love you.
I love you too.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.